Hello and welcome. Are you a maker of skincare products, and do you make bath bombs or shower steamers? And have you ever thought of using 3D printed molds in making your skincare products? Well, I have purchased quite a few of these 3D printed molds from Kata Molds, and I wanted to give you my thoughts, my opinions, and share like a review of using these molds. I purchased some new ones, but I've also have used some of them. So I want to welcome you to my channel. Hello, I'm Diane, the owner of Vermont Lavender, where I make and sell a lot of skincare products that are made for dry skin, but also handmade soaps and lotions and shower steamers and bath bombs. Plus, I grow my own lavender here in Vermont, chamomile, roses, and I use them in my skincare products. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you are a current subscriber, thank you for subscribing, and let's get to the video. Okay, so let me show you some of the molds. You get a nice thank you card. Of course, I get two of them. And so what I have here, this is my cloud one, and this one has worked really well. This is great for shower steamers. So the first one I'm going to do is all in shower steamers. You can use them for bath bombs too, but I like the size. So this one's really nice. That's definitely a keeper. And then I have the tulip one, and that just comes apart like that. And this is a nice size for a shower steamer also. For Mother's Day, that's what I'm going to make a lot of them for the shower steamers. You know, when you, let's see here. Okay, so when you're going to go like this, you have to put your fingers on the sides and make sure you don't hit the sides here when you lift it up like that. So it's not too bad. This one, I haven't tried it. I have a bigger one that I did try, and I do like that one. And then lastly, I was thinking about the men, and this is well, it's a tree. I have one that's a Christmas tree. I have a video on that if you want to watch that. This here is a Christmas tree one, and I think like balsam fir, kind of like scents like that that are like in the forest. I have windsong, which is a nice foresty scent. So next, we will do the bigger ones. And so this is the bigger sunflower. Let me get that. I'll just put it over here. This is the sunflower one. So this is the size. Let me just show you. Is that the sun? Yeah, here it is. Okay. So here's the size right here. And you can see it's a little bit bigger. But this would be really nice, I think, for a, you could do like a little bath bomb type thing, or the shower steamer. But this is really nice for the bath bomb. There's a plunger thing that you can use. I don't have that. I purchased that. Okay, there's that. Then I have the round one. Okay, so now we'll do the big ones. The sunflower. This is one I love using. It's the donut one, and see, I still got to clean it a little bit, but this works awesome. This is definitely one if you're going to purchase one of the first ones, and I think this is a small one because it makes the size of the weight is like 3.5 to 4 ounces, and I think you can get a bigger one that makes like a 6 ounce. So you just check out their website. And this is a mushroom one, which my daughter loves mushrooms. So I'm going to try this. I haven't tried this one out, but this will be nice for, these are all like bath bombs that I would use for these. And then this is the Christmas one. Here, as a little start at the top. This worked out great, and they all sold. And I did this in the, shoot, I can't think of it right now, but I'll put it up on the screen. It was really good. It was kind of like a manly scent, but also it's just, women loved it too. So that's a really good one. Then my last one that I haven't, no, actually it's not the last. I haven't tried this one, and this is a waffle one. So I can't wait to try this. I'll have a video on that. So stay tuned, but this one looks really cool. It's really easy to, I know I'm fiddling with it right now, but, okay, hold on. Okay, there we go. So how I would, yeah, it would be a little bit, my hand isn't that big. So how I would take it out is I would push it up like this. I guess I'd have to be careful and take the lid off, and then you just go like that. So it's going to be a little bit, and just pop it up like this, and you're going to go like that. Oops. And you're going to go like this. You're going to hold it and then flip it over on your thing. Now if you've used some 3D printed molds, and this one's a little bit awkward to do, let me know in the comments below if you have used it. This one here isn't too bad. I'm just thinking like when you have the product in there and you're ready to unmold it, that's what you do, is you push it up like that, and then you take it like that. Of course you gotta tap it and stuff. You flip it over like that. So those are some little hints. So I really like this one, but definitely the donut. And I really like this one, the sunflower one. Definitely recommend that one. Even though it looks like it has, you know, it's pretty hard. As long as your bath bomb mixture is a little bit moist, like I make the buttermilk bath bomb, and that works really good. This is a bigger cloud one. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's a favorite you have purchased and you use, and if you have any ones that you think I should try, that'd be great, let me know. So hopefully you found this video helpful and you like it, and if you learned anything and you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help to get it out there in the YouTube algorithm, and it helps me to grow my channel. And the next video to watch, I will leave it for YouTube to actually recommend it and see what they recommend. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.